In this video, I am going to show you different types of computers. So mainly we can classify the computers into 4 types, which are supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers and microcomputers. So let's see what is a supercomputers. So first of all, supercomputers are very large in size, which look like this. That is, which are very large in size, that we need to kept in very large air conditioned rooms. So let's see some features of supercomputers. These are most powerful computers in terms of their performance and data processing ability. These are specialized and task specific computers which we use in very large organizations. These computers are used for research and exploration purposes, like NASA, which uses supercomputers for launching space shuttles, controlling them, and for space exploration purposes. These are very expensive computers, and the very first computer, that is CDC 6600. These are the list of top 5 supercomputers in the world. In this, the first one is Tiana, which is from China, and which China and United States are the most number of supercomputers available now in the world. The very common uses of supercomputers are space exploration, earthquake studies, weather forecasting, nuclear weapons testing, etc. These are the very common uses of supercomputers that used by very large organizations. Next type of computers are mainframe computers. Although mainframes are not as powerful as supercomputers, but certainly they are very quite expensive, and many large firms and government organizations uses mainframe computers to run their business operations. Mainframe computers can be accommodated in very large air-conditioned rooms because of its size. Supercomputers are the fastest computers with large data storage capacity. Mainframes can also process and store large amount of data. Banks, educational institutions, insurance companies uses mainframe computers to store data about their customers, students, insurance policy holders, etc. Next type of computers are mini computers, which are used by small business and firms. Mini computers are also called mid-range computers. These are small machines and can be accommodated on a disk with not as processing and data storage capabilities as computers, supercomputers, and mainframe computers. These computers are not designed for a single user. Individual departments of a large company or organizations use mini computers for specific purposes. For example, a production department can use mini computers for monitoring certain production processes, and likewise some departments or some section of an organization or small business or businesses uses this type of computers like supercomputer and mainframe computer, but not like the capabilities of supercomputer and mainframe computers are there for mini computers. Next type of computers, which is microcomputers, which is the most popular one. That is, it includes desktop computers, laptops, PDAs, tablets, smartphones, etc. All of these types are microcomputers. The microcomputers are widely used and fast growing computers. These are very cheap also. That is, it can be available in any range. And microcomputers are specially designed for general usages like entertainment, educational purposes, work purposes, etc. Well-known manufacturers of microcomputers are Dell, Apple, Samsung, Sony, Toshiba, etc. that we are using. Desktop computers, gaming consoles, sound, navigation systems of a car, notebooks, PDAs, tablets, PCs, smartphones, calculators. It includes calculators also. These are all are microcomputers. So these are all about different types of computers. Classification includes 4 types of computers.